Hey coders, ever wanted to test your tech knowledge with a fun quiz? Today, we're building a Python-powered quiz app that'll put your brain to the test. Let's see how much tech trivia you can handle, no cheating allowed. Grab your keyboard, and let's dive into this quiztastic adventure. First things first, we need some brain teasers. We're whipping up a list of questions, complete with multiple choice answers. Each question comes with 3 options, but only one of them is the golden ticket. Let's keep our quiz takers on their toes. Now, we don't want people memorizing the order of the questions, do we? Let's keep them guessing by shuffling things up random order every time. Who needs predictability when you've got Python magic? Next, we need a way to keep track of all those sweet correct answers. Let's set up a score counter. Every time you nail a question, that score's going up. Aim high. Now that we've shuffled the questions, let's dive into them one by one. Here, I'm looping through each question using Python's trusty enumerate. This gives us both the question and its index. By setting start equals 1, the first question will be labeled as question 1 instead of question 0. I mean, we're not computers, right? Here's a quick check. Does this dictionary have a question key? If yes, we proceed to show it. Think of it like double-checking that your quizmaster didn't forget the question. Once we know the question is there, we print it out on the screen with a nice label. Something like, Question 1. What does CPU stand for? Simple and clean. Just how we like it. Now, if we somehow end up with a key mismatch, like a typo in our question dictionary, we've got this else statement as a safety net. No one's ruining our quiz today. For that rare case where the key Q7 is used, we can still display the question properly. This ensures that all questions are shown. No matter what, no one skips out on quiz duty here. Next up, we're looping through all the possible answers for that question. This nifty loop gives us the answer number like 1, 2, 3, and the answer itself, like central processing unit. Time to see which answer you're betting on. We then print out each answer option for the user to see. So on the screen, it'll look like 1. Central Processing Unit 2. Central Provincial Union, all nicely formatted, ready for you to choose. Now, let's make sure the quiz participant doesn't mess up their input. This while loop will keep asking for their answer until they give us something valid. Consider it a friendly nudge, no wrong inputs allowed. We ask for their input here using the input function. We also use strip to remove any sneaky spaces they might accidentally add. Clean and neat answers only. Here's the catch: did they give us a number? And is that number between 1 and 3? If it checks out, we can finally break free from this loop and move on. If everything's fine, we break out of the loop and proceed to check their answer. Smooth sailing from here. But if they didn't give us a valid answer, we jump into this else block. Sorry, but we're not accepting anything other than numbers between 1 and 3. Time to try again. And if they didn't get it right, we let them know with a friendly reminder. Invalid input. Please enter a number between 1 and 3. We're making sure they stay on track. Alright, here's where the excitement builds up. We're checking if the answer the user provided matches the correct answer. It's time to see if you're right or wrong, no pressure. If you got it right, boom, correct. You nailed it. Feels good, doesn't it? And don't worry, your score is going up too. With every correct answer, we bump up that score by 1. The more you know, the higher your score climbs. Let's see how high you can go. But if you didn't quite hit the mark, don't worry, this else block has your back. We're not leaving you in the dark. We fetch the correct answer from our question dictionary so we can show you exactly what you missed. No hard feelings, just some helpful feedback to make sure you ace it next time. And there it is. Incorrect. The correct answer is ... single quotes. No shame in getting it wrong. We're all here to learn, right? Plus, now you know the correct answer for next time. Finally, we throw in a blank line to give a little breathing room before the next question. Let's keep the quiz rolling. Alright folks, I've done something sneaky here. I've willingly added a few surprise mistakes in the code. Why? Because copy-pasting isn't your best friend. Go ahead, find those little bugs and fix them yourself. If you get stuck, drop a comment, and I'll be there to rescue you. Learning is all about getting your hands dirty, so dive in and show the code who's boss. And hey, if you found this video helpful or just enjoy hunting for bugs, Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more coding fun, and share this with your fellow coding warriors. Let's learn and grow together.